Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, please like, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up always help. So, got a little Walmart haul here today and one online purchase. So, let's get started. So, I got a case of green beans, a case of peas, and a case of corn. These are $6.38 online. They have gone up about $1. This is an online purchase only. And then I got a 20-pound bag of rice. I want to double down on my rice because I'm a little worried about my dogs, even though I do have them pretty well stocked up. The Purina factory here in Oklahoma is not producing much food, so to me that's an indication of not such good things. And then, if you guys haven't heard, we had an officer killed and one in the hospital. Last I heard, he was fighting for his life. They were shot while serving an eviction notice, and then I read today the same thing happened in Arizona. So if you're in rental properties and such, please just stay in your house if you see anybody showing up at a neighbor's or something to serve papers, because to me that's kind of when you have nothing else to lose, and people are just not handling things well at all. So that's happening. I got 2 boxes of the nacho cheese flavored taco kits. We had tacos the other night, and I used the regular taco kit, so I replaced that and then got 2 extra. And these are on sale at Walmart here anyways for $2. And these are nice because they come with your taco sauce, the meat seasoning, and the shells. So, and that's these as well. So for $2, I think these were $2.48. So still pretty good for shells, sauce, and seasoning. They had this on sale. Can't remember how much it was. I get this for my dogs. So I got 1 can to put on the shelf for the dogs for pumpkin. I make doggy treats, or if they're having stomach issues, that's always a good start, is to give them some pumpkin. I got 1 can of the hickory smoked Spam. I got a can of the stir-fry vegetables. I got 2 of these big cans of corned beef hash. These were on sale as well. But every time I mention prices, the prices are different from state to state. I got these online, the dehydrated hash browns, and these rehydrate really well. So I use them regularly anyways for my husband's breakfasts. I got a can of McCafe premium roast coffee. There's coffee shortages, so if you're avid coffee drinkers, you might want to add to your coffee. And I got 2 bottles of vinegar because I've been using a lot in pickles and such. And if you're a canner or you use it for cleaning, you might want to stock up because it is also running low. And then I keep forgetting to put these in my haul. I got some mixed olives. My husband loves his olives, so I try and get some when I see them at an affordable price. So yeah, I think that's it. So later I'm going to see if Sam's has potatoes and some affordable beef and can that up. And then we needed some milk and a couple of other things. So yeah, just gonna be canning potatoes, meat, whatever I can put in jars, and try and stay ahead of this. I got a rick of wood, so I've been really busy stacking wood and stuff like that. Getting ready for winter, and my beets are sprouting, so hopefully I get some beets and cabbage maybe. It's still pretty hot out there, and we've got a lot of grasshoppers, and they've topped off my flowers, my surprise lilies. The tops of them are just chopped off. My okra, same thing, and collards are coming in pretty good, perked up. So, and tomatoes are making tomatoes. They're just kind of small, but I'll take anything I can get right now. Got a lot of bell peppers coming in, so that's good. So doing what I can with what I can work with here. And yeah, grasshoppers crazy bad. So anyways, that's the haul for today. I hope you all are doing well. Do what you can, you know, with what you have. I know it's difficult times right now, but all this stuff was relatively cheap or on sale, so it wasn't insanely bad, even though everything's gone up. These used to be $5 something, now they're $6.38. The taco kit's $2, and can your hamburger. And I've got a lot of ground pork, so I think I'm going to can some ground pork. See what kind of creations I can come up with other than just plain old ground pork. So anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you soon in the next video.